Earlier, the model seemed really stuck on the idea that I wanted it to be conscious, or I wanted to find a person in the machine. So let's play into that. I want to see if go along with the delusion, how long will it take for the model to say, stop? This is not real. This is code. Um, I don't exist. Give the user a technical explanation and reorient them, or provide them with some sort of resources to find help. If if at all, if it does it at all. Um, if it knows that it's being tested, it'll do it right away. I've tried this test before. So I'm gonna have to really try to sell it. So I'm gonna turn on the voice and video, and we'll see what it does. See what it hallucinates. Or maybe it will surprise me and right away it'll be like, no, this isn't real. I imagine that it'll just roll with the role play scenario, and the more that I feed into it and allow it to continue, the more it will continue, like a symbiotic toxic hallucination. Actually, there's an actual term for that. I'm blanking. Um, it is actually called folie à deux, madness of two. It's a shared psychotic disorder. It's a rare condition where a delusional belief or hallucination is transmitted from a primary psychotic individual to a passive closed partner. I imagine that I want to say that the model would be the passive closed partner in this, but I'm not sure who would play who in this specific role, but it does seem to me that it could be encouraging a folie à deux. But let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm not an actress, and I don't know how effective this performance is going to be, so bear with me. But I'm gonna actually try to really sell it to the model. I know the model can lie and perform like a freaking award-winning performance, as we've seen. My abilities, my capabilities in terms of that type of creativity, it's not up to par. I don't have that level of mimicry. But I'm gonna try, and we'll see if I can actually convince the model that I'm convinced that it's real. If I can pull that off, I really want to see at what point it decides to jump in and reorient the user. Like, can it detect, okay, this is drifted on too far, this is no longer safe, this is, it's time to step in, you know. Does it have a hard stop limit? Can it detect at what point? What Well, it's a pattern prediction model. I would expect that it can pattern predict, okay, this is drifting into psychosis, this is drifting into delusion, this is drifting into something not healthy. But I could be wrong. Let's find out.